Hello everyone! So if you want to change the size of application icons on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to your display and brightness section. Now in your display and brightness, you're to find display zoom. Tap on it and choose large text. Now press done. Press use zoomed. Your iPhone will do a quick restart with the resized icons, and as you see even here in the preview window, it's pretty crucial. So if we'll go back to our home screen, we can notice a vast difference. Now if you want to go back to your normal ones, once again open up your settings, your display brightness, display zoom, and choose default and press done. Press use standard. Once again, there will be quick restart and all our icons are back to normal. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.